crowd the obeden aku school no obeden and you are surprised
exactly how
PhD na ye cry PhD tree fire boniade but he was able to combine this multitasking one of the gifts and you made the mouth and now say if you're able to learn through it and nana Kwadwo Jantuah has exhibited that oba no pa be ye adwuma PhD enye adufia now there be o first degree now wo ye no
kwa madika ka cho say ye master's tree atwify no but the akokwa de omni say Nana Jantuah is a brilliant young man in fact ninim dia no ebro adwene ntiase so sometimes say what radio hu na wutie na unse oye BT the first degree K University and we share background maybe we share say fee but what na radio so na o ka science asem exactly
building technology
na mathematics terms algebraic expression integration differentiation
politicians no political scientists no problem
ti be bia trigonometry no do wa fa ho oko I mean pollination monocotyledon dicotyledon germination and you say Jantuah knows something about everything and that makes him unique in the system and especially when it is on the day like this what couple of with PhD I think say the bit me yan say be congratulate ni amana who say ne so e won faso e ma inchirima and we living example like you said until obia we into this space at first no say radio no say we start gra you say akoko news no kai news nkwa no be kan sa ba say no Jantuah diversified no until you say what radio so science assembly to me kabi mathematics politics education be bia
let him say he is also a business consultant.
Hey, now Kwadwo, say me near you.
Say wasa just a business. Wasa so who ye businessman and I say who ye be also where business. Who PhD in business one why.
Open consultant.
And na ohwe masters kra no o wa.
Bebre. Na Jantuah de na the ebe say be after we no say etimi ne kasa no jadusian wo twaso because onye na home exactly no onye na home because da bia Kwadwo osia de ukọ no office abitima bonidin Jantuah o she honso onfiu adisian kwa edi Kwadwo I mean on behalf of Moframa watete omo in this space omo nyina ni hanim say be gina omo nam I say big congratulations to you. I think you deserve it. You've worked for it and I mean you show trajectory anyhow I was starting with journalism career and he said it was here broadening with scope but be out to for on the second fanu and they NDC kwambo bai we say MPP for so started pen assembly what you say maybe what you say and beyond radio so no lecturer K University aside that so no consulting man crofo we say what problem be now per se obi etumi for one Jantuah will avail himself and consult
and one thing I've learned about him since multimedia and I'm the Bishia and Kwadwo Jantuah.
Oh, okay.
I never knew him before.
Oh, media since 2012.
And one thing over the years I've learned from him is about holding on to integrity.
Oh yes, Kwadwo dear.
Say we're holding on to integrity. Na mitie no. Na mehwe no. Me hu de woye.
Yeah.
But I thought say is a different thing altogether.
Outside, exactly.
I mean, I'm outside the microphone, maybe behind the scenes.
Yeah.
But Nana is genuine.
He's consistent.
Whatever idea wakano, and I said your I can't remember the birthday. His wife was saying the same thing, and that is what I'm saying today.
Yeah.
Said you who say all can or you focused on saying the way you say That is what he hold on even after his shows. And outside. The scene
exactly.
And idea I know you one of the strongest mark of integrity which I've learned say enipa bia wo pese okọ wanim bia no you must hold on to some of these things
exactly
and a bit me abo anti the bit me aka nyina ne say ye da okropon ba say yadomase say ordinary from 5 years Zando 5 years no supervisors
ombecho srene abasa PhD no yemfancho you have to work for it
you have to work
and
for
these supervisors they will never compromise their integrity they will make you work for it
and yet universities ketua wo so on say university no abrofo eno mu supervise hwe bibia wo enti ye ma wo kwan e ma wo nye say de omo amutumi fa nchen ye de omo pe no we on say this university is a university Eugene, you've known Nana Kwadwo Jantuah for so many years. And
yes, celebrating.
Nana Jantuah, that's what No, you see, knowledge. Let me sum it this way. You see,
higher knowledge be anyone, a higher education be anywhere that from.
Yeah.
I won't true TCC da. Me at least my master's degree. I go my master's me my major be 2 weeks old. 5 chapters it me a trip and I'm a cobo pa for 2 chapters. I could beat me a PhD na obia. A children be an in the morning show na strong.
Yeah.
Unze o ma me ha o papa ha no unti bi wa ha. Aha ha no ba no akofa bi was a Hofstede. Na wo chire
bi wadwim.
Aha oba o the general report no. Enye bosire mu ka document.
Sure.
And then na ye nyina wo de atete yen a ye di ye adwuma ne bi no. Me da kwakwa for me na Jantuah life de bi am betena me kan nya so ye me boss ntia. Na me nim so di 40 a. But in a short life no o hwe impact na e massive. Nti no o ye mabu na wutia social media no bit di atem no ba na so hwe Nhyira fan and Kwadwo Jantuah na MPP ni and this ba no so mu po bi a o de certificate to ha obenya bi asen ba won so ti social media papa ha o ma me ha
na wudi atem
no akokwa encouragement man nso say no the pressure na beto ye so pressure na ba say
me cry say enra say me to form enra na me to form
it's a pressure
but he always encourages you to learn.
Yes, and we see also make a story. Maybe I mean need the permission, but also make
sure.
Unse Madika my first master civil engineering.
Right.
But Kwadwo share my background, my first degree chemistry, second degree civil engineering.
Yeah.
And then St. George Manami and found baby wave now when I'm. It did Jantuah cheme trance. Say also be masters for in the field I find myself. Who's now work as Jantuah masters be brain.
Yeah.
It's green HRM, why BT, why communication, why business. And to you say workers will fa hasia or on crata or the better. What I say? So unse ye MPP ni NDC politics because aban bi aban e ka say e fa adwuma. Usually I say the old kwa kwa adwuma ne wan fa on crata no way. E bia wo ni qualification kra. So me ye me master me second masters in communication because of Kwadwo Jantuah. Wow. Yes, because we civil engineering also been practicing, even to have the knowledge in that field. Yeah. But journalism now woman which largely borders on communication. And Kwadwo Jantuah na shame kutupa. Yeah, what facilitate exactly. What facilitate I must start my second master. No. Adult education. O yere twon, o ba twon. Wo fa for nkora wo hwe wo mo twon. Na utimi ye we nyina sa combine with PhD. Akokwa Jantuah is a hero.
Enya sem ketwa. Enche abusua na Kwadwo Jantuah eye Dr. Samuel Kwadwo Jantuah. Enche me introduce no just shortly briefly may some few minutes na menena kasaba ku mienu ansa no abetena ha ene wo ache de ne ode ebro. Eugene, you wanted to make a final comment.
I want na make can say you see for me me lesson na me hammer on wa wutie no.
Okay.
Congratulations, no true we are now at Transi.
Nhyira fan.
How you for the packing kind? Oh, no, we said you obi ye celebrate you obi. Me ana ezo obi wu a. Me ana funda ho no ana mfa me ho sa.
Want it? You okay nyina want it?
There be a BBC is the lessons you learn. And no am never be doing cause so palm skirt, the skirt na twena ma wa yemre. And I'm say and no sorry I will skirt no one lessons na no akire wo no. Sua na fa skirt no. Akokwa ta say is the lessons you learn.
Yeah.
So Nana Jantuah and the lessons of the Zando kind. Obi o were wo ma.
Yeah. And so still.
Na ya any masters nyame na ba mu kiawie. So but that is Obronibe can say perseverance.
Sure. And me taso
is the attribute, yes, perseverance.
Yeah.
And don't you say PhD na yeska any day wan na Ghana ha dollars na editua. Enti unsunya skenya bia na adi no wanum.
Say na no say me go bia ya me hwe fizi.
So ati
Obo university ni din kirem na me go bia me go hwe fizi. Na me say awurade ene ye boafo.
So enti na ya dey so enti e be kan say nyame nhyira no congratulations. Na kokwa esa na watwa to ni nsua.
Nhyira fan.
Be able to impact that lady. They be am because who you say na so permanent ma Kwadwo Jantuah. So ati say it's opportunity he gave me. Enti akokwa nyame nhyira no. Nyame nhyira na me het me pekakra ma na. My share boss and me call favorite gobe joint. Oh that's gobe say na the all does not ma.
Asim say nya
to bie ni ho akokwa utu obi fu bie. Utu fu bie kakra. The all don sem no dey ma. Kwadwo Jantuah me dey make my say our favorite gobe joint be wiase me ko na menim me never call. It's as simple.
It would dey gobe.
Gobe.
Akwa cedi ne say
10.8.
10.8.
Mema Jantuah $500.
Hey.
But number no dey na wo dollar money.
But you say
me person me live on radio
converting to Ghana cedis because
say 5,000 Mema say 10 interbank na number to na man dey MTN na
e do trust sister at 2 here
na number to MTN and Mema Jantuah live on radio
you just say to 2 pace no
o meet the camera na to
me started from Gobe what should from Gobe
o page na
you see Akokwa whatever I am today is Nana Jantuah. Zando can masters. Me first degree me meteorology and climate science.
Yeah.
My communication. My second degree me energy and sustainable management. I've never done communication. I've never schooled anything communication. But I only training.
Okay.
Until open myself maybe obi human and need Jimmy Huni bibia it is him. Right. I wish I can do more. But some send and sana mako.
Right.
Enti akokwa me man $500.
$500. You know. What the back Ghana is 6,000.
5,000. Me yen 10. And run into bank near 10.32.
80 that.
Enti me yen 5,000.
Asemba nyabotre. Me ni aketwa.
You say what page na
na me started from Gobe. What should from Gobe to 5? Okay, so Gobe be 5,000. Depending on be out of free.
Wa mama ni subscribe dem.
Akokwa MTN phone so network o mejo mu yin so den no mejo mu yin.
What is na here na send we are. And of course usually say to the fact checker we see nyina no Nana Kwadwo Jantuah and groom yin sa kakra is addition wo dey see line so nyansem get we say dey ti better na Nana Kwadwo Jantuah one of the favorite songs may they welcome on anafu abetra say just few minutes na ya share what motivated him and then how far he's come na ye didi enkomo Eugene ugusu ahu
akokwa so on live on radio no scano minim pesa na confirm ansa no wabone nwom no akokwa ma me 2 seconds pesa na confirm ansa
na why
ansa na wabone nwom na ma no on live radio
5,000 something
there be 5,000 maybe yet rate no 10. See, live on radio, my boss 5,000
Bank of Ghana bet you because
someone could do down 20 obenya alert this is here mama no
why 5,000 no
yes
we say read okay
Access Bank
hey Zando Zando e kada yeso
congratulations
Nana jemame Nana siaba
o se be sure
me receipt
Nana siaba nti
cover no
mame ha
okay 5,000 eh
enuni
aba
me send Jeff no
text message me no was sending na dem
we dey aba me am hwese process
interesting wow Jantuah unim me na start you me government be am dey ko ne board pa say be abetu to so ha 1 cedi ba ko ba bi 20 cedis ti me wie governor next month obetemenka
ba mo de nyina metumu mo nyina mo ye down metumu nyina awusia this is one of the favorite song for welcoming Nana Kwadwo Jantuah the favorite song pa ni na abribia in fact oba it inspires him a lot awusia Dr. Samuel Kwadwo Jantuah yebedin komo sisia